Want to learn the best CrankWheel features you're probably not using yet? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be using CrankWheel like a pro and unlocking hidden capabilities that can take your customer interactions to the next level. You'll also get access to an exclusive free trial through the first link below, so you can start testing these features right away. Let's dive into the first thing you're likely overlooking in CrankWheel: instant screen sharing. You're probably already familiar with how easy it is to share your screen during a call. But did you know you can do this instantly without the need for any downloads or plugins? Just send a link to your client, and bam, you're sharing your screen without the extra hassle. No signups required, and it works on any device, making your meetings smoother and more efficient. Next thing, let's talk about on-demand demos. One of CrankWheel's coolest features is its ability to send personalized demos to customers without needing to schedule a meeting. You can instantly share a demo of your product, and the best part is your customers can access it whenever they need. This gives them the flexibility to view your presentation when it's convenient for them without any extra effort on your part. The third thing is automated follow-ups. You can set up automated emails that will follow up with your leads after a screen share or demo. This is crucial if you're trying to close more sales or keep prospects engaged. You can customize these follow-ups to keep the conversation going and remind them about what you showed them without lifting a finger. Moving on to the fourth thing, let's highlight custom branding. If you're using CrankWheel for your business, you'll want to make sure your brand stands out. With the custom branding feature, you can easily add your company's logo, colors, and even customize the URL, giving your clients a seamless branded experience that reinforces trust and professionalism. Now, the fifth thing you may not know about CrankWheel is real-time analytics. After every demo or screen share, you can check real-time stats on how your clients interacted with your presentation. Knowing how long they watched, where they spent the most time, and when they dropped off can help you refine your sales pitch and tailor future presentations to be even more effective. And the last thing to mention, which really ties everything together, is seamless CRM integration. If you're using a CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, or others, you can integrate CrankWheel directly with these systems. This means your screen sharing sessions, demos, and follow-ups will automatically sync with your CRM, making your workflow more streamlined and ensuring you never miss a step in the sales process. If you're looking for a way to simplify and enhance your sales calls and demos, these are just some of the best CrankWheel features you're not using yet. And remember, you can get started with CrankWheel completely free by using the first link below, with exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Don't forget to take advantage of this extended free trial and unlock all these features for yourself.